So hi friends, welcome to my video. So already you came to know that yesterday AIMS published their rank and their percentile number. So you all are eagerly waiting that when they conduct their exam and when they will publish their result. So this time they publish their result very soon in head of the only just 7 days. So you all came to know your rank, your percentile number, okay, and you all do the very hard work, I know, and now result in your hand, and now you are just eagerly waiting that when they start their counseling. And now in that point you have many questions in your mind already. From yesterday I got many comment about the counseling process, what are the documents they want. So today I came here to share with you what are the documents you will keep with your hand. Still now I'm busy for last 2 to 3 weeks, and this week my exam is also going on speed final examination. Before you coming, we have to complete our final examination also, then we will be senior for you now. So your counseling, I'm sure that it will be conducted in month of August. They will start it in this month, I think, and in August they will come. Sorry, in July they will complete their mop up. I think almost. If they are not able to complete mop up, they will complete their second round counseling, and from August onward they will start their colleges, because our first year examination, final examination, it will end 2nd August, and thereafter they will give 1 or 2 weeks vacation. So I think mostly from 11th or after 11, 14 or 15th August they will again started our second year. I will show you, and you also just keep in mind what are you want and what document you don't have. Still now you have to make sure that you will get when you will going to the college for admission, at least at that time. Okay, so let's see the documents. So first thing, you will see that this is the slip. Okay, I think you all have this thing, this basic registration slip you all have. So you need this document you have to keep in phone, and your this in printout form also. During admission they want this thing. After that, this is the caste certificate if you have OBC or SC certificate, so you want. And for OBC, they want the certificate from central. Okay, so if you see your state government OBC certificate, then they will not take this. So if before exam you have to make sure that you will be renew your OBC certificate, because they give a time period. I think it's from up to March, May, up to May. They will give their date that you have to renew your certificate between in those days. Next is the undertaking. So they will publish their documentation what they want from you. So there will you get these things. So this is undertaking. So you have to fill this undertaking. Next is the migration certificate. So most of the students, you don't have this migration certificate, so you have to took this certificate from your health university. So for West Bengal Health University students, I will make a separate video for you that how you apply for this migration certificate. Next is your admit form. You all have this, your birth certificate. And the last one is the result. So they want your 4 years result, what you get in your first, second, third, and fourth year. So they asked you to update your 4 year result. So you have to compress this 4 year result, make a PDF, and you have to upload this thing. Like you can see that, like this way I compress my 4 year. So these 6 to 7 documents you try to keep in your hands, and those who already got a very good score and good rank, and you people are already sure that you will get a seat definitely. So for those students, you will try to collect your migration from your university, and next video I will make, because I am completing my BSc from West Bengal Health University. So from there, how you will get your migration certificate, I'll make the next video. You will check it in my channel. So bye friend, if you have any doubt, you can comment me, and please wait. Still now they publish their requirements what they want. They will definitely make a notification for that, and you already get mail for previous notification, and for this you also again get a mail. So wait and don't be panic, all will be okay. And the other things, they will be want like some code paper. This they want when you will join in the specific colleges. So at that time I will tell you how will you get all these things. So bye friends.